We just bought the BMW i8. There's this multimedia knob right here, and this is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like afterwards. Here's the media knob. It comes in this little package. Just take it out and put it on. It's got a nice aluminum material with the whole blue finish, and if your interior lighting is blue, like ours is, it'll be a nice vibe. Oh, our seats as well. The seat belt buckle thingies. Seat belt buckle things?
Seat belts.
The seat belts. The seat belts are blue. They kind of match this, so that's awesome. Comes with this double-sided tape. It's really thin. Well, hopefully that makes it stick on nicely, because we've had like these in our other car, the Alfa Romeo Giulia. Oh, right. Actually, before we put this on, let's try to see if it even fits. Uh-oh. Why do they never fit? Like, that's not even close. We might need the thicker tape, so we might need to modify it with some 3M. Should we just try to put this on and see if it does anything? Double-sided tape that it came with, we're gonna try putting it on here. I don't have a lot of high hopes. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's got these knurlings around the side, and they're pretty fun to grip. It just forever spins. It's too big. We've had this problem before with one of our other cars. Issue again. I mean, it's pretty cool. We'll still use it, but we're gonna have to modify it. The tape that it comes with, this super thin tape, is not enough. It just legit, you put it on and it spins forever. So we're gonna need some thicker 3M tape. All right, gang, it's time for the test fit. It is in. We got the blue accent lighting there, blue accent lighting there, and it really looks like it fits the whole theme. So this is our guy in here. It spins. Now it does seem like it's a little bit off in one area, like a little bit more raised, and if I look down here, you can kind of see it, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. It's just a little lipped on this side, and that's because we only could put the tape in 3 places before we had to set it down. But I mean, come on, it still looks good. And that, my friends, is the BMW i8 multimedia knob that we have installed. Did have a little bit of problems, but it only took a little bit of modification for it to now work properly. Let me know what you think of this in the comments below. We'll have this in the description if you want to pick it up and try it out for yourself. Let us know what fun things you've done to your cars, even if they're not i8s. We just like getting general ideas of what everyone has done. Kind of inspires us, and we'll see what we do next with this guy.